Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. We would like to thank you for joining us today. Please don't forget to subscribe and also uh, do what they call do what comment. So we want to see today if you get traffic from Google News. So this is what we see here. If you go to your analytics, it shows news.google.com. So it simply means some people came in Google News, then they find your links here there. So I've got two people who are visiting from Google News. So I don't really get much traffic because Google just included my website, and maybe they are still trying to see if I'm a good writer or something sort of. But anyway, go to these are the two people you see. If another person comes, it's gonna come. So there was one, it keeps on increasing. Also, this is also Google stuff, that this is not Google News, this is the Google News we're looking for. So also I got 3 people from Facebook, and other visitors are not identified where they're coming from, but this is what we try to focus on. So simply means these guys came from Google News. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna copy this. I want to show you. It could be like this. You say news.googlenews.com. If you're there, then you're gonna see these are the news from Google News. Simply means somebody find you here somehow, because my website doesn't show here, but it was approved by Google News. But if you say GB News, let me get it. I'm trying to search it, I can't get it. Yes, I get myself as a news source. If I click there, I'll get my articles, my news. This is my articles and stuff, but I'm appearing here. But if I search by maybe my website, okay, let me click on my website. I click there. You see now there's only one person from Google News. Simply means another the second person left. So I clicked on my website. I wanna try to search my website like by link using Google News. It doesn't come, but look, they approved me, but everything I search from them, nothing comes. So if I put in, I get different results here. And even if I go to my website and search, maybe let me search this topic, because it's for I wrote it today and can't be found by anybody else. Then we click there and you search. You can see you get this, but not from my website. You get it from different websites. You get me. My website is called googleboy.co.za. You see, I can't find my website here. But anyway, I get less traffic from Google News. I get 2 people, 1 person a day, something like that. But they approved me something like 10 days ago, 10 days back, and you can see what's going on. My website doesn't come here, but you can keep the whole day here trying to monitor your stuff. You only have to click on real time, then you click on overview. So you be there. Maybe you should have 2 screens. You do something on the first screen, then the second screen start monitoring your traffic and see if really Google picks up some URLs for your site. I think by the end of maybe if we keep on writing a lot of articles, relevant articles, new content, Google gonna include you into Google News. But they might include you, like they accept you, but you find out like they don't get your articles are not picked up to be put in Google News. That's why you can see mine, I only find 1. You saw the white tried to search, I couldn't get anything. But anyway, if I search, like let me say I'm gonna say bbc.com. if I search BBC, definitely I'm gonna get BBC coming out. So try also to search your site there. You see if it's gonna come. If it comes, it's good news for you. But mine doesn't come, but they accepted it. I've never seen any article here, so but when I go to traffic here, sometimes I can find something for myself, like now, as I say, there's one person came from Google News .com, news.google.com. So I'm trying to see BBC if it's gonna come. Well and good. If it doesn't come, you see it came. Obvious BBC come, and these are the URLs, so you can click here and go to BBC straight. So if you can put in your site like this and it comes, you are 100% on Google News. So it happens like your website was approved, but there is no content which was picked up by Google to be included into Google News here. So that's something which is frustrating. I'm trying to work out on each and everything they tell me to do. I'm trying my best. This is my site, but I haven't got anything like to be displayed. But evidence here shows me that at least, look, I've got another. No, all those two are gone from Google News. So evidence here shows that sometimes Google maybe sends, I don't know how, but I get some small traffic from Google News. Yeah, no guys, also don't forget, like, if you want to be included in Google News, they say you must make sure you put the date and time, and also they say the author should be shown, and also they say you must put address, email address, and a couple of things. You have to put your email, your phone numbers, your address where you can be found, code of conduct, policy, private policy, contact, about us. All these things are needed Google News to take you into their program. So they say they want something which is clear and something which is transparent. So they also said, which I'm going to work on, you must get at least different authors, not only one person writes the content. You should get maybe 4, 5 or 3 people who are writing your content. Please guys, if this video is useful to you, please don't forget to subscribe, also share, and also comment if there is something which maybe I mentioned in a wrong way, or if I made some mistakes. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.